Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a pancake, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a round curve here. And stop at here. Now just follow it with me. Draw two round big eyes. Insert with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. Inside with lines. And the mouth. Now just follow it with me, slowly. Now draw the butter. And add the details. Now we have a pancake. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow it with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.